Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I mean, just like I've been saying, it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3. Now, the 161.8 was just the minimum target for a wave 3. Wave 3s can go to the 261.8 sometimes, and sometimes even beyond. So don't expect that this wave 3 has to be over. This easily could stretch out a lot. At some point, it probably is going to respect one of these fib levels to make a bigger pullback for a wave 4 and a wave 5, but it definitely doesn't have to happen now. Going down to the weekly time frame, definitely a big uptrend. I mean, it definitely looks like a wave 1, a wave 2, and then subdivisions of a wave 3, so like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. But like I said, the trend is definitely not proven to be over. We definitely don't have any breaker structure. We definitely don't have any significant lower high. We definitely don't have any Fibonacci bounce. I think we're still in a wave 3. There's probably a pretty good chance at this point it's at least going to go up to the 78.6, which is right around the 2640 area. So heading down to the daily time frame. So yeah, now that we blew past this Fibonacci level right here, I would expect that it probably would go up to the next Fibonacci level like I was showing on the weekly. The next Fibonacci level is the 78.6, which is right below the 2640 area. So I wouldn't think that just because we're in all-time highs on gold that means that gold has to end. Maybe gold is due for a pullback, but I don't think that the uptrend is over. I think that we definitely got more upside potential. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks like a wave 1, 2, and 3. So if this is a 1, 2, 3, which it obviously to me looks like it is, that means that even if it does make a pullback, it's probably just a wave 4, and it would probably have to go back up again for a wave 5, probably up to that 78.6. And the fact that our last structure level is way down here also tells me that it's almost definitely going to have to make a pullback and another push up at some point. Doesn't have to do it now. It could easily go up a lot and then make a pullback and do it like that also. So either way, let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, this is clearly a wave 1 and a wave 2 right here. But then we have subdivisions of the wave 3. So this is like a 1, 2, 3 of wave 3. So if it goes down, if it breaks structure, which it does not have to do that, it could easily keep going up. If it does break structure, then it's only the end of a wave 3 of 3. Probably gonna have to make a wave 4, make a wave 5 just to finish off the wave 3 trend. You have to remember that every trend within a trend has got a trend of its own. So this is only a wave 3 trend that we're looking at on the 1 hour time frame, which is just a little piece of a much, much bigger trend on the weekly monthly, which is also a wave 3. So for me, I definitely wouldn't be trying to fight the trend. I would definitely still be looking for longs. The fact that we're at all-time highs does not deter me from looking for longs at all. My next target is right around the 2640 area, so definitely still very bullish. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.